Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So if you've been following me on this channel, you will know I love everything about cloves because of what it does to my hair. This video is an updated video. I'm going to show you what clothes I've done for my hair for using it for 30 days. I did the 1 week challenge and I did the 2 week challenge, and today I'm going to show you what it did to my hair after using it for 30 days straight. And I would like you to help me to reach a lot of people with this video so they also know how to use cloves. And the only way you can do this is by giving this video a thumbs up before you even start watching. Leave me a lovely comment in the section below, and also if you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell, because on this channel I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help with hair growth. Let's get into the recipe. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can prepare your cloves water. The first method is to add your cloves to a jar like so and add any amount of water depending on the quantity that you are preparing. So today I just added a few cloves. You do not need so many cloves because a few of them can provide with a lot of the clove water. It is very potent, and in the later part of the video I'm going to show you how to store the leftover, so make sure you are watching to the end. So after you put it in a jar like so, you just add water and you set it aside at a cool dry place for 48 hours or until you see the color change. So at this time I'm just going to set it aside, cover it up, and I'm going to wait for 48 hours, and after 48 hours you will see that the color has changed like so. So after that you just strain it and you get your cloves water. The second method is the boiling method. You put a saucepan on fire, then you add some cloves to the boiling water. You let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes or till you see the color change. And when you see the color change like so, it means your cloves water is ready. You set it aside to cool down, and after it has cooled down, you just drain the water and you have your cloves water. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, because on this channel I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair even much faster. So join us and you're gonna have a lot of fun. So this is our cloves water, and I'm going to add some other stuff to it to even make it work much better. But you do not have to add all these things that I'm going to add. You can just leave it like so and use the cloves water. The first thing I'm going to add is the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil highly promotes hair growth, which improves the texture and volume of your hair traces, making them look stronger and much healthier. It can also prevent hair loss. The next ingredient I'm going to add is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can help prevent buildup of chemicals in dead skin. This keeps your hair healthy and moisturized, which can help it grow at its normal rate and prevent it from falling out. And remember, dandruff is caused by an accumulation of scaly and dry skin on your scalp. So tea tree can help prevent dandruff. So after adding these 2 ingredients, I'm going to give it a good stir and I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle for easy use. So this is what I'm going to use for my hair, and I'm going to show you how to store it. You can put it in an ice cube containers like so and put it in the freezer, and when it freezes into ice cubes, you can take it out at any time, allow it to dissolve or melt, and you have your clove water again. With this challenge, I made fresh cloves water every week. Come on, it's not hard to make. It took like 10 minutes to make a clove water. So I wasn't even storing them. I was just using them every morning, and I will make new ones for every week. So I got my hair ready for the challenge and make sure my hair is washed, conditioned, and I'm just going in with my cloves batter. I'm going to leave a link to how to make this clove batter in the description box, so make sure to check it out, because this clove batter can help you grow your hair faster. It can help with bald spot, and it can also help you grow your edges. So at this point, I'm going to put my hair in a very simple protective hairstyle to make application much easier. So make sure whenever you're using your clove water, you do not leave your hair out. You put your hair in a simple protective hairstyle. It can be twist, it can be braids, it can be anything. Because today was the first time that I just washed my hair, I didn't use the clove water on this day. I just wrapped my hair, went to bed, and the next morning started the challenge. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some lovely comments in the section below. Ask me any questions that you would love to know, and I'll make sure to answer. I answer to every comment in the section below. So make sure you're leaving me some questions and some comments. And this is the first day, so I'm just spraying the clove water at every part of the hair, massaging it in, making sure to get it at every part, because clove water will do a whole lot of wonders to my hair. So I'm making sure to get it to every part of the hair. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, and this compound helps promote hair growth when applied to the root. It can also help prevent graying of hair due to its antioxidants. With the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is better blood circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. As I already said, cloves can be used to protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. And also, the anti-inflammatory agent which is found in cloves helps thicken hair. Clove water can help cleanse and soothe the scalp. It can curb hair loss, hair breakages, if you're having some bald spot, if you're losing your edges, if you're having any split ends. Clove water can help you grow all this back because of its nutrient. So make sure to add clove water to your regimen. So this is all the days that I've been using it. I just didn't want to bore you with the video, so I did it week by week how I use the clove water. So what I did was I was rebraiding my protective hairstyle every week. So the beginning of every week, I would just take it down, spray in the clove water, and rebraid it. Then after that, for the rest of the days in the week, I would just go ahead and spray in the spray water and massage it into the roots, to the scalp, to my edges, everywhere. And it felt so good. I left it in my hair for a whole 1 month without washing it, and I didn't even feel my hair needed to be washed because it cleanses your scalp and it helps you grow new hair. So make sure you're watching to the end, because I'm going to give my honest review of what clove water did for my hair after using it every day for 30 days. And hey guys, this is the end of the challenge. This is day 30 and I'm taking down my hair, and this is how my hair was looking. So I'm going to wash it and I will let you know how this felt on my hair. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs like this, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair even faster and also much healthier. So make sure you join us by subscribing, because on this channel, it is always jamming. So my hair is all washed. I conditioned it and I'm detangling it. And guys, I was shocked. I did not even lose that much hair when I detangled my hair, because I hadn't washed my hair for a whole month. And just look at my hair. Just look at how soft and shiny that hair is. So after washing, I'm just going on with my normal routine of moisturizing it. I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to go in with my cloves butter, and I'm also going in with my ginger and clove oil. I'm gonna leave the link to all these DIYs in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And guys, look at my hair. Just look at how soft my hair is. And I didn't even lose much hair when I was detangling. This is all the hair I lost. So truly, the clove water will help you prevent hair breakages and hair loss. My hair felt so fuller, thicker, and more stronger. And I was just amazed at what this clove water did to my hair. This is a must try, and I hope you can also give this a try and let me know how it works for your hair. I'm just putting my hair back into a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video today. I hope you have already subscribed and given this video a thumbs up. And hey, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen to watch it now. You will love it. Bye.